So where we are is Brookfield Elementary School. It's a Title I school, part of the FCPS system, Fairfax County Public Schools, and we're here to deliver Valentines with messages of appreciation and cheer for the teachers in schools. It starts here, but these Valentines are being distributed all over the county. Every year we call it the Valentine Challenge, and the challenge is to make Valentines that will spread messages of hope, cheer, encouragement to populations who need that. We chose educators appropriately as this year's recipient of the Valentines to show our appreciation and how important their role is in teaching our kids and preparing our kids for the future. We typically get, up maybe plus or minus 400 volunteers to make Valentines. This year, 850 people wanted to make Valentines, and I think it was very much because of who we chose to receive them. Well, what we hope today's event means to the teachers and the community is that they're receiving a message that their efforts are valued.
I hope so much that my staff will be reminded of how very important they are to the community, and that the community really appreciates them and wants to send them messages of hope during this season of love.